Big news for crypto users in the UK. The Bank of England has proposed new rules for sterling stablecoins, including a temporary £20,000 holding cap for individuals and tougher reserve requirements for issuers. This could reshape how people use digital money in the UK. On 10 November, the bank published a consultation setting out a proposed regulatory regime for sterling-denominated systemic stablecoins. Key features include temporary holding limits for retail and business users and specific rules on where issuers can hold their reserves. The bank suggests a temporary limit of £20,000 per individual per systemic stablecoin and £10 million for businesses, measures designed to prevent a sudden flight of deposits from banks into digital money while the market develops. Some exemptions may apply for businesses such as exchanges or supermarkets. The bank says the rules are about financial stability. If large sums moved quickly from bank deposits into stablecoins, credit to households and businesses could be squeezed, so the limits are temporary safety measures while a full regime is phased in. The consultation also sets out reserve rules for systemic issuers. A larger share of reserves may be required to be in central bank deposits or short-term UK government debt, with restrictions on riskier assets, aiming to ensure redemption safety. Crypto industry groups and some exchanges have warned that caps and temporary limits could blunt innovation and make the UK less competitive versus the US and EU, arguing enforcement would be complex and could limit real-world stablecoin use. Regulators counter the steps are precautionary and consultative. This is a consultation. The bank wants industry feedback with deadlines published in the paper and aims to finalize rules next year. The holding limits are described as temporary and may be removed once the system is judged safe, but any final changes will depend on the consultation responses. Bottom line, the Bank of England is trying to balance innovation with safety. If you hold stablecoins in the UK, watch this consultation. Limits could affect large holdings and how stablecoins are used for payments or savings. Subscribe for updates as this story develops.